Hey guys, we're on our way to do yet again another makeover. So trying to make sure that we get all the fire content for y'all. It's currently 7:45 in the morning, Saturday, June 26th.
We're on the way, Janiqua.
We're on our way, Janiqua. We're about to bless your space. There are some hiccups in this journey, though, y'all. So it ain't all glitz and glamour. I feel like shit. I have a terrible heat rash, which is why I have this hat on. And it's probably making it worse. But, you know, insecurities are a bitch. And I'm just not a confident queen like I should be. But nonetheless, I'm still here. I'm still doing it. We still rocking. Also, a coffee table that I ordered is late. And not coming when it's supposed to be. So that's definitely another hurdle.
FedEx fucking up.
Yeah, absolutely. And it tilted. But nonetheless, we're making it work. Also, buy a car mount. Look at me, real YouTuber out here, okay? Official. But it is convenient, I will say, not having to think that my phone's gonna fall every 2 seconds. So $7.99 from Home Goods, okay? But nonetheless, we're here, we're rocking. I'm gonna try to be in good spirits and have a good time, even though I'm dealing with this situation on my face. And of course it's on my face. Like, what are the odds? It's unbelievable. That's what I keep saying. It's just unbelievable. I can't believe it. I should believe it, but it's hard for me to believe. Because I was anticipating this weekend. I have a lot going on. As soon as I get excited for something, something happens.
Yeah,
but
there's a lot going on this weekend.
It's a lot.
And this following week. But you got 3 days to not do nothing.
It's very bad, you guys. Like, I don't even know how. So I have Benadryl cream anti-itch because my forehead is real itchy. I also have aloe vera. Hopefully this brings me some comfort. And I'm gonna try my best to not raise my body temperature because that's what does it. And when I'm already flared up, it's like, it's just a bad situation. So nonetheless, that's what I'm going through. That's my life. It's the worst. Woe is me. I'm not going to keep harping on it and giving it life because it's already something I'm dealing with and I have no choice but to power through. So therefore, let's just act like it's not something I'm dealing with.
And you're going to be busy, so your mind actually won't be on it probably that much. Maybe more. I don't know.
Hopefully. But hopefully you guys can still see me with the hat on and it's not too, doesn't cover up my face too much. I think it's okay. So, nonetheless. But it says we're going to get there in 4 minutes. So, we'll back in with y'all then. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.
Oh, yeah.
Hit the subscribe button. I promise I'm going to try to keep you guys entertained. And it's free. So why not be a kind person and do that?
Peace.
I'll catch y'all later. Okay, you guys, we're here. And this is what I'm working with so far. So basically we're gonna get going on all these boxes. I'm gonna make sure that I show you guys and get good before footage so you can see the progress. Look at Denzel.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spending my life with you. I wanna please you. all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Another problem. Another fucking. Alright, you guys, so we got some down-filled inserts from Amazon. You already know, I swear, buy nice down-filled throw pillows. And we got some pillow covers, so I'm just about to put them on. Got to do a trash run. This is what happens when you're not doing an apartment and you're doing a residential home. They don't have enough trash space. So we're gonna go and put this in somebody's dumpster. Breakfast of champions.
That's what it is.
That's what it is. This is what winners eat. Board moment.
Definitely.
Especially for the makeovers, because I can $10? Because I can write like welcome home.
Yeah.
Another woman that could take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular?
So you turn your car on.
Baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen.
You guys, I'm dying. I don't know how to explain it any other way. Besides,
About to start coming together quicker now. Feeling like
you say that, but I swear,
45 minutes.
to measure everything perfectly and get it all exactly where it needs to be.
Yeah, we got 45 minutes.
Thank God for coffee. I love it. Fucking love it. You guys, I'm on the edge. they just got to see.
Going wacko.
They just got to see a little glimpse of crazy.
sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
More stuff. All right, y'all. Checking in. Just got back from my in-store shopping. And this is where we are at with it. Not the body in the mirror. Okay. I'm excited about all of this. It's just about now getting it in its places. These are the curtains we are using in the space, and they are from Amazon. So I will make sure to link them below for you guys.
fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from cheese beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. I wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around.
Look at the rug! Oh my how did you get that from? Where you didn't say nothing in our room? There's nothing in our room. There's a carpet in our room. In the bathroom, just like that.